friends, welcome to my channel Techie Twins. Today, in this video, I'll be telling you about the Realme's latest offering in the wearable segment, Realme Watch. Its first smartwatch in India. The Realme Watch is the second wearable device from Realme after Realme Band that was unveiled in March. The smartwatch is built around 1.4-inch color touch screen of 320 x 320 pixel resolution, which is protected by a 2.5D Corning's Gorilla Glass 3. The screen has 380 nits brightness with 10 levels of adjustment. The Realme Watch comes with 12 watch faces, with default watch face displaying the date, day, weather, time, step count, heart rate and burn calories. You can select your favorite watch face from the Realme Link app, and Realme says it will add 100 new watch faces by OTA update in future. Like Realme Band, Realme Watch also features 24x7 heart rate monitoring, but this time the PPG sensor to measure heart rate supplied by Godex, and you will get SpO2 monitor as well, which measures blood oxygen level. The smartwatch also comes with 14 sport modes with aerobic capacity, badminton, treadmill, elliptical and table tennis being new one introduced by Realme. Another set of new features are camera control and music control. The former lets you use the smartwatch as a camera shutter button, while the latter allows you to play or pause the music, change tracks and adjust the volume. Realme is keeping Realme Watch at center of its AIoT system, and with future OTA, you will be able to link multiple AIoT devices to Realme Watch without having to open smartphone. Other highlight of Realme Watch includes smart notification, IP68, dust and water resistant, sedentary reminder, drink reminder, sleep monitor and meditation relaxing. Fueling the entire package is 160 mAh battery, which Realme claims can offer 7 days of autonomy with 24x7 heart rate monitoring turned on and 9 days without it. The Realme Watch has two strap designs, classic strap and fashion strap. The former will arrive in a single black color, while the latter will be offered in red, blue and green shades. The Realme Watch is priced at Rs 3,999 and it will go on sale in India starting June 5 through the company's official India site and Flipkart. The smartwatch will come with regular black strap out of the box, and colorful fashion strap will be sold separately later at Rs 499. So this was the quick specification about the Realme's latest launch smartwatch. So guys, if you like our video, please do like us, share us and subscribe us. And for any feedback, do write us in the comment section below. Thank you.